Subscribe to Feminism in India for your dose of intersectional feminist content and make sure to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Here's your feminist news wrap for the week gone by. Akali Dal's lone union minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal resigned from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet on Thursday as her party faced heat from farmers over its initial support to ally BJP's farm sector bills. After passing of the ordinance in Lok Sabha, the biggest fear which is haunting the farmers is losing the MSP. They say farming is no more a profitable avocation, and if MSP is withdrawn, they will not be able to survive. Some farmers say the private players will exploit the farmers by indulging in hoarding and other malpractices. The farmers fear that once the private grain markets are established, the traditional grain markets will become history and farmers will have to depend on corporations and private firms. 319 ASHA workers in 21 districts have been infected with COVID in Maharashtra, according to a report by the Indian Express. After the COVID outbreak and surge in cases in rural India, the state government had deployed ASHAs on screening duty and to refer those symptomatic to quarantine centres. Apart from 71 health programs for which they receive varying incentives, the government promised Rs 1,000 every month for COVID screening. ASHAs not only face delayed payment and meagre income, they also face stiff resistance in villages during COVID screening. Many have also complained of inadequate provision of safety equipment. Same-sex marriages are neither part of our culture nor a part of the law, the centre told the Delhi High Court on Monday, opposing a petition demanding marriage rights for gay community under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. The submission made by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, one of the central government's top lawyers, seeks to challenge the petitioner's contention that the Hindu Marriage Act doesn't distinguish between heterosexual and homosexual marriage, since it doesn't describe marriage as a union between man and woman but only two Hindus. There are only 2 women judges in the Supreme Court and 78 in various high courts of the country, the government informed Parliament on Wednesday. In a written reply to a question in the Lok Sabha, Union Minister for Law and Justice Ravi Shankar Prasad said the details of female judges in the tribunals are not maintained centrally, as they are administered by different ministries or departments of the government. The details of the female judges in the subordinate judiciary are also not maintained centrally, as the subject matter falls within the domain of the high courts and the state governments, he added. E-commerce major Amazon India on Thursday said it has set up an all-women delivery station in Kadi, Gujarat, its second such facility in the country. The new all-women delivery station, operated by a delivery service partner, is part of the company's efforts towards increasing participation of women in the workforce, a statement said. The delivery service partner program is a last-mile delivery model of Amazon India, where the company works with partners to leverage their local knowledge of the community. The technological support is offered by Amazon India to facilitate deliveries.